Hi guys, Dr. Adriana Huertas from Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic. Were you in a car accident recently? Well, your body could be hiding injuries, and Florida gives you just 14 days to get checked. Even if you feel fine, hidden damages to your spine, muscles, and soft tissue can take days or even weeks to show up. Seeing a chiropractor within that 14-day window helps catch these injuries early before they get worse. Chiropractic care not only relieves pain, it corrects misalignments, restores proper nerve function, reduces inflammation, but improves mobility. By addressing the root cause now, you can avoid permanent injuries that may lead to chronic pain or even future surgeries. If you want to protect your health after an accident, visit synergyoviedo.com to schedule your post-accident chiropractic checkup today.